The next function is Heaviside function. A Scottish mathematician developed this function for on-off switching. Look at the following example. So he said, let's make y equal either 0 or -1, which serves as well as 0, as long as x is negative. So if this is -1, you put y equals -1 on this side. And then at 0, there is a switch, and we turn it on. And at 0, the function becomes 1, like so. Now, since we want it to be a function, we cannot have x equals 0 belong to both legs, both branches. So we'll say that at 0, we'll turn it on, and it will be off until we come close to 0. So we have open circle on as we come to 0 from the negative side, and we have closed circle as we come to 0 from the positive side. So we still have a function. So this is a one-sided limit, an example for one-sided limit. And we're going to write something like this. The limit of f of x, okay, so this is y equals f of x. And actually I should have written it as so let me write it first as a piecewise function. F of x equals -1 as long as x is less than 0, equals +1 when x is greater than or equals 0. So this is a piecewise function. Okay. And as far as the limit is concerned, the limit at x equals 0 does not exist because we have different values as we come from the left side and as we come from the right side. And by our definition, at the beginning of the class, we said that it's an if and only if statement. We need to have the same value whether we approach from the right or from the left. We're going to write a one-sided limit. The limit as we approach 0 from the left side of f of x equals -1. Okay? Again, this is one-sided limit. A one-sided limit, what we'll have under the LIM of the limit will be x goes to something plus or something minus. Likewise, the limit as x approaches 0 from the plus side of f of x will be positive side, and this is a one-sided limit as well. Okay, but the point is the limit as x approaches 0. Now notice that here I didn't put either the plus nor put neither the plus nor the minus, so we're going to say that the limit of f of x does not exist in this case. Okay. In the homework, let's see if I want to show it at this point or not. Might as well show it at this point. There is something called the greatest integer function. Okay, so might as well teach you that. There is, as I said already, there is a function like this in the homework called the sine SGN function. Read through that. And it will pretty much be self-explanatory. The next function is Heaviside function. A Scottish mathematician developed this function for on-off switching. Look at the following example.